today? Am I being cool or am I acting rude today? Should I stay on savage timing or get in my feels today? Should I stay inside the crib or should I play the fields today? Hope these niggas stay on chill, don't wanna break a grill today. Go to the bitch who make me meals or fuck a different kill today. Hey, I woke up feeling cute, insecurities took a chill today. Happiness is gon' be natural, no need to fill the pills today. I say yeah, I got on drip, or will I take a pic today? Will I come outside my shell or am I acting frib today? No matter what I do, they always pen me as the villain. And no matter what I do, I'm Piccolo, you gon' be Krillin. I don't know what the ganja do, but then my feelings start revealing. Then I get that patent pen and that shit heal like penicillin. Nowadays niggas stealing, money vacuum sealed today. Nowadays I'm getting sleep so I can quit the quill today. I just drunk 250 parts, my heart just got some shield today. Past is rigid, so it's hard to tell you how I feel today. Seen the movements nowadays, that shit make me so hysteric. I'm not sending my own release because these niggas stealing lyrics. And she wants some of my time, I gotta grind, I cannot spare it. And she keep telling me her feelings like a nigga wanna hear it. I was down, I couldn't tell you what I was eating for today. Now I'm up, man, 4 pockets full, they wanna fornicate. A nigga bored and I miss the streets, I might just tour the state. I'm in New York with the foreign V, but it got the Georgia plate. Should I stay on savage timing or get in my feels today? Should I stay inside the crib or should I play the fields today? Hope these niggas stay on chill, don't wanna break a grill today. Go to the bitch who make me meals or fuck a different kill today.
Hey.
Is this clock?
Hey. Gang. Hey. Damn. Do not compare me to niggas, cause everything y'all did, nigga, I did first. These niggas be chatting, they talking, they lying, nigga, and that's how they get hurt. Me and the money, we sticking together, my nigga, we paired like Bluetooth. These niggas, they soft on the pillows, they plastic bags, they easy to see through.
It's like, ooh wee, let's make a movie. Strapped up with the toolie, that bitch gon' choose me. Stack my paper loosely, now or later chew me. They gon' choose me, cause I chose the blue cheese. It's your little vibe for me, is you gon' ride for me. Love when you doing that talking, but you know talk is cheap. Niggas be jacking that tough shit, see me and don't say a peep. Why do you think that you sliding? Left is what slide for me. They talking, they yapping. Before we had polls, my niggas was scrapping. I don't win anything, so little nigga, what happened? I slide down your block with some ratchets and gadgets. Ain't spoke the truth, y'all niggas been capping. I'm stalling for this like a nigga was fast. I knew from the jump, y'all not with the action. Guns stay loaded, me and pistols be packing. Shotty right here with me, and he stayed with the pump. Now cuffing these bitches, they crumbs. Texting knobs might cut off these bitches' thumbs. Can't lack, think smart and play.
I wanna rump, no label. Make it tap out, Kurt Angle.
She love what I do, eyes rolling back, she meeting her guardian angel. It's like, ooh wee, let's make a movie. Strapped up with the toolie, that bitch gon' choose me. Stack my paper loosely, now or later chew me. They gon' choose me, cause I chose the blue cheese. Ooh wee, let's make a movie. Strapped up with the toolie, that bitch gon' choose me. Stack my paper loosely, now or later chew me. They gon' choose me, cause I chose the blue cheese.
I took my L's back to back, 45 degrees. That means I finally made my W. I don't care, all I care is about my family and revenue. Rex, Purdue, we here. Gang. Hey.
I told these fuck niggas I'm about to do rap. Making my profit, I double right back. I fuck little hoe with the tits in the back. They saying you know how you count these racks. I'm buying the pack, bring it back to the trap. I'm buying the pack, bring it back to the trap. I just hopped in the Rari, you know I'm not sorry. These bitches, they texting me sorry. I'm not a known drinker, they know I'm a smoker. Tonight I'm just sipping Bacardi. I got these 2 bitches, they look like the Iggy. Just please don't confuse them with Cardi. Niggas, bitches, yeah, these niggas is facts. Niggas broken, yeah, they low in they bag. Yeah. From you, we nigga know I need that shit back. Yeah. They aiming at us, shooting at us, know we get back. Yeah. Diamonds well like Aquafina. Got a few bitches for different new seasons. Your bitch texting me, yeah, I told her I meet her. We not linking up, nigga, just for no reason. foolish. Yeah, these niggas dick riding, I bumpin' my music. Yeah, these niggas is bitches, these niggas confused. I told these fuck niggas I'm about to do rap. Making my profit, I double right back. I fuck little hoe with the tents in the back. They saying G know how you countin' these racks. I'm buying the pack, bring her back to the tribe. I'm buying the pack, bring her back to the tribe.
I guess we taking them back to the trap. I gave me my hand and they gave me their ass. I gave them my raps and they gave me a laugh. I talked to God and he gave me a path. I talked to OG and he's watching my back. I'm weaving these hits and they sending these jabs. I'm crying, thinking back on my past. Baby girl, why you staring? And you looking at me, now look at your man. Come on, baby girl, no comparing. I was never stingy and I always had bands. And I always been with the Sharon. Said I've been with Trish and I've been in her sheets. Baby girl, what is you hearing? Cause I ain't with nothing than blaming shit. I put 2K, Call of Duty today. I'm not with the games and shit. I was in school with the Beyblade. I used to chill with the lames and shit. Now I'm up and I got a little money surrounded with niggas that bang and shit. I told these fuck niggas I'm about to do rap. They sat in my face and they gave me a laugh. Allergic reaction, these niggas is crabs. I didn't have money, I didn't have cash.
I'm buying the pack, bring her back to the tribe. I'm buying the pack, bring her back to the tribe.
To secure my damn life, I gotta keep this stainless steel. To secure my happiness, I gotta keep these painless pills. To keep a nigga going, I just use my pain and will. These niggas shooting, missing targets, niggas getting aimless kills. I'm at the line, they tryna distract, cause they wanna see me bricking. Got the ball, and they fouling, tryna knock me off my pivot. Shorty calling my phone, talking about nothing, she just bitching. Saying I show her no affection, how I'm so goddamn dismissive. Disrespect them, I'm gon' die, I guess we gotta go that distance. With my bro, she with her girl, gotta complete the 2-man mission. Getting older, cutting ties, that just lead to haste decisions. They said 2019 you showed you nice, now leave them in the distance. Pussy boy, do you want war? Best believe I got utensils, I'm not talking